Consider these practical, budget-friendly fireplace options when masonry work is too costly. Prefab gas or electric fireplace inserts offer the fastest path to a working hearth with minimal construction disruption. For gas, choose a sealed combustion direct vent unit that draws air from outside and exhausts directly outdoors to improve safety and efficiency. Measure the existing cavity and pick an insert that fits with at least 1-inch clearance per manufacturer guidance, and have a licensed gas fitter handle the connection. Electric inserts are simplest for retrofits because they only need a standard electrical circuit and can mimic flames with LED technology while providing supplemental heat via a built-in fan. Mount on a dedicated circuit and use a thermostat-equipped model for steady comfort. If you prefer a new wall-mounted look, consider a balanced flue or direct vent wall unit that penetrates the exterior wall rather than requiring a chimney chase, which reduces labor and material costs. Keep the surround minimal to save money. Use ceramic or porcelain tile cut to size, a simple prefabricated mantel box, or painted cement board rather than custom stonework. For highest long-term value, pick units with sealed combustion and programmable thermostats to reduce standby losses and improve control. Homeowners often pick an insert that does not match the actual cavity dimensions, which leads to costly retrofitting. Always template the opening and verify clearances before purchase. Another common issue is underestimating venting requirements for gas units, causing poor draft and safety risks. Solving that means choosing direct vent models and having a professional install the vent path with proper slope and termination. The third problem is overspending on ornate surrounds that then need structural reinforcement. Avoid that by selecting lightweight cladding materials and planning a simple, modern trim that can be upgraded later if desired. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where people share real-world experiences and questions about budget fireplace projects. We help contractors find work by providing project leads and a place to showcase their services while homeowners compare options and learn from peers.